Well, this is a genuine couple. That kiss that we all thought was probably one of the most memorable moments of Al Gore's presidential campaign during the convention was something that was very real, heartfelt, as you see, and quite surprising and stunning because he was not known for being particularly emotive. But they have always been a real team. They've always been a real couple. She spent a lot of her time taking photographs. She's quite an accomplished photographer. You know, the thing about this Gore statement, though, Rick, is that this is something that they have clearly thought a great deal about. But these are two very thoughtful people with a wonderful family, grown children.
Yeah.
And these are people who don't do things without deliberation. We know Al Gore is a politician. We know that he deliberates and that he's deliberative, right? So I think that in the way they're seem to be separating, and again, we only know that it's a separation, is very much in keeping with their relationship, which has always been a real relationship.